What's up, YouTube? I am super excited for today's video because I did flexi rods on my hair. My hair is about waist length and I was really struggling to figure out how to do the flexi rods correctly, as well as flexi rods that were for my length hair. So these are my results. I naturally have 3B3C hair, but guys, I've already had my hair all day. This is the end of the day and they have frizzed up a little bit, but that's mainly because I didn't do the best job at separating them. So I could have done that better, and I kind of just went quick with it instead of being more gentle. So, but other than that, like, I'm extremely impressed with these results. I absolutely love it. I will absolutely be doing it again. It feels great. I feel like there's a lot of moisture in it. I definitely think it's going to last a long time, but we shall see this week. But I really want to show you guys what I did, how I did it. If you're interested and you have 3B3C hair, this will probably work the best, as well as if you have really long hair. So if you're interested in getting these curls, keep watching. Hi guys, I am super excited. This is what my hair looks like. I just washed it last night and then I put in a leave-in conditioner, and so I let it dry out because I wanted to try these flexi rods. And I ordered these really like bigger ones, like longer ones, for my longer hair to see if it would work, because I tried the other flexi rods and it was a hot mess. So I want to try it this way, and I really don't know what I'm doing, but if it turns out good, I want to have record of this accomplishment. So come with me, and I'm assuming if you're still watching by now, then my results were bomb. If not, then you know. Anyway, let's get started. So I don't want to have a fine part. Like I want to kind of just section it off with my fingers. That way when I am going to take it out, I want it to kind of just fall in a more natural way instead of you seeing like these hard pressed lines. So I'm kind of just gonna part my hair. I want to do it into 6 sections, but I'm gonna do like this either side and then part these sections in half. So for now we're just gonna start with right here and then do half of this, and then within each of the 6 sections I think I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 of the flexi rods. So it's probably gonna be a decent amount, but we'll see. So there's no like real way. I'm gonna add some water with the spray bottle. I'm gonna add in this leave-in conditioner. I use this on my son's hair and I actually really like the results that he gets. He has like 3A 2C hair. And then I saw another person use this Camilla Rose almond jaw twisting butter. So I'm not gonna put too much because I don't want to weigh it down, but I do want to try it. So I'm gonna part in these sections in half. Then I'm just going to take this clip and add this to the back. So I'm adding enough water, not to soak it, but enough. So I'm adding enough water to not soak my hair, but enough for me to comb it out and not cause damage, as well as allowing me to have some moisture when I take this style out for the week. So anyway, I wet my hair enough for there to be no damage as I comb it out, as well as there to be some moisture, but I also didn't want to over soak it because I don't want it to take forever to dry. I will also say that I like that I air dried my hair because I feel like it's allowing me to have more stretch than if I were to do it on wet hair. So I feel like this is already elongated enough that when I use the flexi rod, it will form to it, as well as not go back to my like typical curl pattern, if that makes sense. So I think I'm gonna do 3 for this section. I feel like it's a little bit smaller than the front. I'll probably have to do 4 right here. So I'm going to come back when I'm a little bit further along. That way I can show you a little bit better, because this back spot is a little bit harder to show. Okay, so I just added some water and I'm spraying some more of this leave-in conditioner. I'm then going to brush my hair out. And I actually don't want to over soak the roots of my hair because they're already kind of straight and stretched, so I kind of want to keep them that way. So I'm going to start with this back piece. So I'm going to do this into 3 sections. And I have it like this. I'm going to take some of the almond butter cream just for some moisture. So I put it against my root, do a small twist, pull it around, and then take another twist, pull it around, and I'm just going to keep on wrapping like so. And if anything doesn't look combed out, feel free to just comb it out because you want this to be really smooth. And get to the end here, and I'm going to slide mine just a little bit. Roll here, and there we go. So a little bit of the almond butter here. Okay guys, so that took way longer than I would like to admit. I definitely think I need to figure out a better technique. I do think it's gonna come out okay as far as like the way I rolled it. I think just the way in which I conquer my head, like the strategy. I should have probably did the back first and then the front. I don't know. I just have to figure out like a way to make this work. I don't think it would take that long once I figure that out. Overall, I think it's gonna turn out great. I think it does help. It is helpful for me that my hair isn't soaking wet like I had it last time. So I think the strategy I have down packed, but the route we gotta work on. So I'm gonna try to sleep in this, I don't know, and then we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Okay, good morning guys. My hair has been in this for at least 12 hours, so I definitely feel like it should be fully dry, and I am excited to see. So yes, I just unroll. Wow, that's pretty. Okay guys, so that to me looks absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Now the thing would be just separating them. So I know you're supposed to put oil on your hands, so I guess just oil, and then I've seen people just, I'm so scared to mess it up. Let me try a piece that's not in the front. So I guess just okay. A little nervous here because I really like it, so I don't want to mess it up. But honestly, I feel like this is going to give me a lot of volume. My hair is long, and I find that it doesn't give me a lot of volume. It kind of just lays flat. So I am so tempted to get a haircut just not to shorten it necessarily, but to give it some more volume. So I think this will give me maybe an idea of what to expect, because my birthday's coming up and I think that's what I want to ask for, is a haircut. But we'll see how I like this. I like it though. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Like, this is better than I could have ever even imagined. This is insane. This is a whole new hair. Like, this is a next level. I have unlocked the next level of hair. Like, I did not think I would like this as much. OMG, like. And I haven't even picked it yet, so I'm gonna pick it. So we're gonna pick it. Okay, so I always like to put oil on the bristles of my pick just because, but I don't even know like how to do this right. But I guess up, L shape maybe. So L. Guys, how long do you think this will last? Oh my gosh. What? Unlocked a new level of life. Unlocked a whole new level. Okay, so the one thing I will say is that I've noticed everyone just does this down the middle. I didn't want to do that. I like a side part better. So I literally did 6 sections and I don't regret it, and I would definitely do 6 sections again. And I feel like I didn't part it evenly either, because I didn't want there to be like a natural part. Like, I wanted there to be a natural part. Whereas I notice a lot of times people will do it and it's just like a straight part down their whole head. I didn't want to do that because I kind of want it to just look like it's the natural curl instead of looking like I actually used Flexi rods. I mean, obviously I will tell people I use Flexi rods if they ask, but my whole goal was to go, you know, natural. And I haven't even like separated a lot of these. Like, this one's not even separated at the root. So I feel like I could do more separation, but I love it so much I don't want to, like, I don't know. I kind of feel like I want it to last longer. But guys, I love it. I love it. So, yes. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is way better than I would have expected. If you like it, please comment down below. Like, subscribe. I like trying new things with you guys, so please stay tuned, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see the progress of like how this is going. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later.